Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are here again with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna test out the Perricone MD no makeup foundation serum. So if you want to see how this foundation works, how it performs, how it lasts, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Hi guys, we're back and time to talk about this foundation. So let's take a look. You know, I already have my little handy dandy. Ooh, or do I? Yep. So we're testing out this foundation. So here it is there, right? So I actually got this foundation from TJ Maxx. And if you guys can see, I'm not sure if you can see, I paid $9.99 for this. So that's why you can always just shop around to get a good deal. But on their site, this foundation is actually $60 and they have a 40% off right now for 4th of July, since that's when I'm kind of recording this. So yeah, but $60. 60. The only thing is, I'm not sure if this shade is gonna match me. So this is the Perricone MD No Makeup Foundation Serum. It says this skin improving treatment foundation has a buildable semi-matte coverage that visibly reduces the look of dark spots and uneven skin over time. Skin improving serum, what it does is instantly cover, corrects and camouflages uneven skin tone, smoothing the look of your imperfection, visibly improve the skin over dark spots, protect the mineral based prod, and this SPF 20. Coverage is a buildable and semi-matte. Texture is a serum, and consistency lightweight, and it's also fragrance free. So they actually have a lot of good reviews, so let us give her a whirl. It comes like so. So I'm gonna shake it. So it comes like this, and then you use this. So, oops. Yeah, I don't know. Ooh. I don't have a primer. Let's put some primer on real quick. This is my Hydro Grip from Milk. I love this cup from Stanley. Stanley need to sponsor me some cups. Ooh, so this shade is 10, man. This is a good shade match. I was kind of worried about it. Ooh. So it's very watery. Very watery. But that's normal for like serum foundations. Okay, maybe I went a little bit heavy. And this is my Flawless brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. I don't expect to get like any kind of crazy coverage because this is, as they said, it's a serum foundation, so most likely the coverage is gonna be less to nothing. But sometimes that's good, right? Not for me, no? Because your girl likes, you know, to be big to the gods like all the time. Actually, that's not true. Some days, but look at that shade match, so perfect. Let me make sure. I'm gonna put a little bit more, not anything crazy. Yeah, that shade match is the business. I'll just put a little bit more, like right here. It's nothing crazy because, again, I don't expect to get just an insane, you know, buildable situation, but this is pretty. I don't know about semi-matte. I think it's a little bit more than semi-matte. I think it's a little bit more dewy. I don't know. It's kind of hard, like when you know, because usually when any foundation is like serum-ish, it's usually kind of more liquidy. Not liquidy, sorry, more dewy. So the fact that they say it was, but they also didn't say it was matte. They say it's semi-matte, but for me, semi-matte, it's pretty close to matte. I don't expect any kind of glow, but not. Oh, by the way, that's my shape tip from Tarte. But whenever I hear anything that says serum, just expect it to be dewy. Dewy. Okay, so this is how everything is laying. Like everything looks so nice and light and just, you know, airy. I don't even feel like I have any kind of makeup on, which says a lot for that foundation, but that was kind of expected since it's like a serum foundation. I like how it's not like overly greasy and just like crazy, but yeah, that's how everything is looking now. I will do the usual. I will give you 2 check-ins, and at the end of the night I will give you my final thoughts on this foundation, whether I like it, if I like it, if I don't like it, you know, the whole tea. So see you guys later.
I'm sporty and rich, do it again. Get some checks, I invest, and I spend a check, get it back, then I take a rest. Only race is the human, I take care of my skin. I was doing this as a rookie, now I'm up to vet. Set the trend, set the pace of play. I don't trip, but if I fall, bet I make a way. I take trips in the fall, watch the leaves change.
Hi guys, I'm doing my first check-in. Actually at the movies. Look at this, you know. We're gonna go see a movie. I'm not even sure what movie we're gonna go see. But yeah. So my foundation is still looking amazing. By now I've been wearing this foundation for about 3 hours, so everything still looks really, really good. And yeah, no crazy, nothing crazy. But look at this. This is actually like a hair clip that has like a little bow on it, which is, I think, is so cute. But yeah, lip is still looking good, but as soon as I eat, that lip is gonna go away. So it's yeah, but everything is still looking really, really, really good. So again, this is my first check-in, and I will do the usual. I will give you guys one more check-in, and at the end of the night I will give you my final thoughts on if I like this foundation, if I don't, or you can go ahead. And yeah, but yeah, so see you guys later.
No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. Need no middleman, I'm the man, send it in, I like what I like.
Hi guys, so I am doing my second check-in. Look at this stage, it's so pretty. So lips is gone because your girl was eating, you know. I had a dinner and a movie at like a movie and eatery place with the hubs. We went and see Spider-Man. But yeah, my face still actually feels pretty matte, so maybe now I can kind of see why they say the foundation was soft matte. However, when I did put it on initially, it was kind of dewy. But yeah, now it's kind of like matte. So yeah, I think they're making this dog angry. It's just keep backing and backing and backing. But yeah, so everything is still looking amazing. Now I've been wearing this foundation for about 5 hours because it is 9 o'clock, and I've been wearing this foundation since around 3. But yeah, so that's my second check-in. I will give you guys my final thoughts at the end of the night on how I like this foundation. So see you guys later.
Set the trend, set the pace of play. I don't trip, but if I fall, bet I make a way. I take trips in the fall, watch the leaves change. I like to treat every day like it's my B-day. No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. No watch, no diamonds, no watch, good timing, yeah. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again.
Hi guys, we are back, and let's give the tea on this foundation from Perricone MD. Is it Perricone or Perricone? I think it's Perricone. We'll go with that. Or Perricone. That is the name. So yeah. So what is my handy dandy mirror? Oh, it's Smile. So let's take a look. So I do have, I don't know, a little separation on my lip, but that I'm gonna just kind of ignore because I think, I ate and I kind of wiped my lip, so that could be part of that. So we'll let that slide. However, I do look like I have a little separation, and like right here you can see like but this is my glasses because I was in the movies and I do wear glasses because I'm blind and I can't see. Actually, that is still far from the truth. I'm pretty surprised that I wear glasses because I can see a lot of things. But I failed my driver's license test. They're saying that I need to get glasses, so here we are. I wear glasses when I drive. I wear it when I go to the movies, but apart from that, I am perfectly fine. I can see everything without having that glasses on. So yeah, just a little information about me. I'm pretty sure you're like, why is she giving us all this information about her? We're talking about foundation. But yeah, back to the foundation. My forehead looks really, really good. I don't have any kind of separation or anything in the forehead. So the only thing I have like that is looking like a little separation is kind of right by my nose. But apart from that, everything else look really good. Like there's no, no complaints. Everything is amazing. As I did say earlier on, I did get this exact foundation at TJ Maxx for $9.99. I did look on Ulta's website and on Perricone MD website, and the foundation is $60 there. $60, and I pay $9.99 for it. So I think it's a really, really good foundation. It's very good for everyday, very good for during the day foundation. It's not heavy. It's not crazy matte. It's more like they say semi matte. I actually, after I wear the foundation, I can see, because when I first put it, it was kind of dewy, but I think it just kind of like make itself with your skin oils and all that stuff. And I think it's a semi matte, but yeah, but it's so light. When you put that foundation on, you don't feel like you have any foundation. So $60 is pretty pricey for a foundation, but this is a high-end foundation. So, but if you can get it for $9.99, check your TJ Maxx, your Marshalls, and depending on where you're watching me, I think if you're in the UK, it's like TK Mart or something like that. So check and see if you can get it, for $9.99. Because if you can get it for $9.99, that is a super steal. So yeah, do I recommend this foundation? 100% yes. Especially if you can get it for $9.99. Grab a couple. So that's it, guys, for this Foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you on my next video. Bye, guys.
Year to year. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. New watch, no diamonds, new watch, good timing, yeah. I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich, I'm sporty and rich. Do it again, again, again.